Whoa, doesn't water just taste great? Today, we will be trying all of the water fountains throughout the school to see which one tastes the least like. Follow me.
Wake me up before you go. Take me dancing.
First impression, kind of scary. Ooh, a smooth pour. Feels chilled. We got high hopes for this one, lads. You know, it honestly just tastes like metal. So, at least it doesn't taste like... Wow. Looks like this one's all locked up.
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay, so this water fountain was donated by our student council to refill the waters. Shocking. You know, doesn't taste like much, so it's okay. And then, that was warm. It's really warm. Let's go upstairs.
Somebody once told me the word.
So this water fountain is up by the sciences, so it probably has at least a dozen chemicals in it. But let's give it a try anyways. It started out good. It was cold. It left a little aftertaste. I don't like it. I don't like it. Also, it's like foaming. Can we zoom in on this? Like someone spit on this water fountain.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down. Yeah, ready to gun you down.
Rumor has it that this is the coldest, crispest, nicest, most refreshing water fountain in the school. Okay, let's give it a taste. I'm gonna be really disappointed. You know, it is pretty cold, but I can't say much else about it. This right over here is the boys' locker room, but because we can't go in there, we're just gonna be trying the girls and assuming that it's the same. I can't tell you the last time anyone has used this water fountain, so first impressions. Did you see this? It's like this big. I have to like put my mouth around it. Oh, this is the worst. It's warm, it tastes like metal, and it smells really bad. So that was awful. This is the worst school water. This little hoe right here, she just tried it, and she said it wasn't that bad. It's not. It's so bad.
No.
They're blue. Oh my god, it's not that bad. So we had to be quick in the boys because that was a little scary. First of all, their lockers are blue and ours are yellow. I'm a little upset, but it wasn't that bad. Water pressure was significantly better than the girls. But it was a little bit colder. It had the same taste though, but it didn't smell like chemicals this time, so that's okay. I don't think I like it, but I don't know why. It's just bad. We were gonna try out the boys, but like as you can see, it's been ripped out of the wall. Shucks.
I don't know, cause I'm stepping on my toes, but I don't stop. I make flips out of my flaws.
So I like to call this the I just ran the pacer test fountain because it's right by the gym, as you can hear, the girls' basketball practice. So let's give it a little shot. This is the epitome of awful. It's metal. It's a little dirty. I don't like it.
Fun bonus feature with this one. Can you hold that?
Yeah.
They fixed it.
So this one used to have a fun feature where you could like shoot it all the way on the ground, but it doesn't do that anymore because their school fixed it apparently. This used to be like the water fountain, so. It tastes just like that one, but colder. So, after Holly and I's little discussion here, we've come from a ranking from 1 to 9. Okay, so coming in at number 9, we have the gym. Because it was warm, it was chemically, it was dirty. It was all things you don't want a water thing to be. And then coming in at number 8 will be the cafeteria, and the only reason because it's a little bit better is because it's cold, so you don't notice anything at first, you know? Then at number 7, you gotta give it to the science one. You know, it wasn't that bad, I'd say it was average, but there was spit on it. Spit? You gonna put spit on a water fountain and make me give it a fair shot? No. And then next is the junior high girls, because it looked like a urinal, and it was hard to get to, you know? And then number 5 was the senior high girls, because it was okay, you know? I would drink it again. Oh, but Holly liked it a lot, you know? I wouldn't travel all the way across the school for it, you know? I wouldn't risk my life to get it, but Holly might, because she kind of liked it. And then next is the bottle filler, because if you're like me, I carry around a Hydro Flask all the time. So for convenience sake, it's just the easiest one. I can stick it under there, take it out. I'm saving plastic, okay? But it wasn't that good. You know, I don't enjoy it. And then at number 3 was the art and wood shop one, because it was cold, it was refreshing, it didn't taste that bad. It had a little bit of something special in it, but we'll get to that later. And then next is the junior high bath. That was our special recommendation. It was the coldest, the crispest, the most refreshing, but it wasn't that good. It was just really cold. And then number 1, the bestest, the most exciting was the senior high boys. Now this was a trip, this was a risk, so it tasted so much better because we earned it. We had to do a little run across this journey to get it, and honestly it was worth it. If there was a boy in there, I still would have drank it because it was good, okay? It wasn't too cold, it was like a nice room temperature, and that's how I like my water. No flavor, which is the best part of water because it tastes like nothing. Watch this door open, so just die. Okay. Jesus Christ. Were you recording?
No. I just got my Jesus Christ.
Someone was just screaming, so like you couldn't. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know if it. We're busy.
No.
Okay. Anyone in here? There's a shower running. Hello?
Go out like this.
No, why was there a shower running?
Look at this boy. Look at that bear.
This looks like a urinal. Ew.
Oh my god, wait. It might not work anymore, honestly.
Oh, it's going. Oh, it's leaking. I don't think anyone's ever used this one.
Morgan uses it all the time.
Okay. Here, I literally found Sour Patch Kids just like sprinkled all around.
Action.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Kelkel.
Hey. Okay, wait. Action.
Is that Abigail Bacchus? Oh my god, this one shoots at you. Look at this.
First impression.
You're Andrew Sawicki.
Yeah. Did you take it down the bed? Which like this?
Okay, that's good. Why do you even? Oh my god. Look at you just bring that in there?
Did you see me put it down?
I was like, well, I kind of assumed because
Can you stop banging around in there?
all the janitors in the school are shook.
They're all talking about it. Like they're all probably texting group chat. Have you seen the two weird kids walking around?
Just trying water, don't mind us.
Ooh, you could try that water if you so desire.
Can I chew on this ice real quick? Sure.
Refresh your palate.
That's really cold. I want like a little piece.
Do you want me to film this? Oh, it's been filming for 31 seconds.
So this is our little palate cleanser. I don't know what you call it. This is the ice machine. It's cold. That's for sure.
So, never mind.